What's up guys, Chris here from 4K Motoring, and we're back with you today. Got a technology video for you today. As you guys may know, that most of our videos up to this point, all of our videos up to this point, have been shot with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. We've got a couple of them. They work pretty well, been pretty happy with them overall, but we knew we needed a little bit extra. The two we had were not quite enough. We were debating between going with a mirrorless setup, but then GoPro came out with their new Hero 10. You use all the same equipment as the Hero 9 as far as like the media mod and stuff like that. Use the same batteries. Was an easy transition to make since it just kind of added on to what we already had. We went ahead and ordered it, so let's check it out. So this is the new Hero 10 Black. This is the deal that's available from GoPro itself. You get the camera, a 1-year subscription, and the small 32 gigabyte memory card for $399, as opposed to just the camera itself you could get at Best Buy for $499. So we'll go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what you guys get. Okay, as you guys can see from the packaging, this is very similar to the Hero 9 in pretty much every respect. Case size is the same, all the features are interchangeable, lens are interchangeable. This one has a new coating, but otherwise the same. But the new GP2 processor is what really sets this one apart from the Hero 9 Black that I've been using. This is the first new processor to come out from GoPro since I believe the Hero 6. And those of you that have used the Hero 9 know that it can be a little laggy in the menus and sometimes has some issues. Once you stop recording, it takes a little while to process, stuff like that. And it also has a pretty limited frame rate selection, especially in the higher resolutions. So what this new GP2 processor claims to do is allow higher frame rates, specifically 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120, which is up from what the Hero 9 was able to do. It's got some other features, the automatic updates, the ability to transfer over cable, which the 9 should be getting that feature as well, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's like. So on the bottom of the camera, there is a little pull tab. Go ahead and rip that open here. Here's our typical GoPro case, just like the 9. If you guys had that one, it's no different. When we open it up, here is a little instruction. Camera must be updated before you can use it. Not that different than the 9. Here it is, wrapped up in a piece of paper. We have a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C cable. We have one battery. We've got a clip mount. We've got the adhesive mount, helmet mount for that. And we have the screw here. So as we remove all of the covers, we can see it is identical just about to the 9. So when we turn it on for the first time, we get the GoPro Hero 10 Black front, and we begin through the menu. You can select English, legal stuff, nobody reads, hit agree. GPS, I'm going to keep that off because the battery is bad enough on these. I definitely don't want to do anything else that wears them out. I turn Wi-Fi off usually and GPS off. So it says we must update it, if you guys can read that here, if it's in focus. So I've got my GoPro Quick app. So let's go ahead and add a camera and see if it will find it here. Connect, Hero 10 Black, it's got it. Pair and connect. Allow and access, pair. Now it's connecting. And let's see what that does. Okay. Change the name for it, Hero 10 Black, and let's go ahead and download. Alright, it's in progress. If you can see that there, this is being done on a Pixel 3 XL. Alright guys, here is the new GoPro Hero 10. It is up and running. You can see the screen, much higher frame rate than last time. Menu, very responsive. As far as shooting modes go, obviously we have in 5K 30, we have the option of 30 and 60. 4K we have up to 120, so obviously a much more potent processor than we've had before. Along with the natural light settings, but you can see same form factor, same size, same accessories fit. It says 10 GoPro in blue. Other than that, pretty well the same.